Good morning. Happy December 6th. We got today, a heart, a broken heart. Not looking the best. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. And this is eggnog. It's a little crystallized. I'm not for sure if I like that one. Something went wrong with that one. All right. This is the Rohan Chocolate House. Number 6 is the chimney. I think we just pop it up like, we do just pop it up like that. And it's a huge Santa Claus. Okay, that's pretty darn cool. Look at that. A little hidden compartment. And a huge Santa. Okay, I love it. Here's the stolen cakes. And as you can see, it's already open thanks to my cats. Because, you know, they're oh so helpful. Ooh, a new one. Thank goodness. Was that raisins and bits of something else? Let me get this open and try this one. Here it is. Looking good. It tastes a little alcohol-y. I like it. Maybe like brandy. Maybe the raisins were soaked in brandy. That's really, really good. Time for the cat calendar, and no one's here. They're usually all over me, but I don't know what happened. They must have run away. All right, it's little hard treats again. Or these are the tender ones. Let me pull these out. We are gonna see if Honey wants the treats. This is our oldest cat, Honey. We adopted her last year from a rescue outside of St. Louis. She had been rescued from a pet hoarder. She spent a lot of her time outdoors, and so she has dental disease. So yesterday we took her to a pet dentist, and she had 8 teeth removed. So she can still eat. Our vet even said sometimes when they have their teeth removed, they eat even better. So let's see how she's feeling. See if she wants any treats today. By the way, that vet bill was $1,200. I spend more on her dental bills than I do my own. Would you like some treats, Honey? Are you feeling up to it? If not, I understand. Do you want some? She's our food miser. You want some? Yep. Yes, she does. All right, Nutmeg. Nutmeg just jumped up. Here you go, Nutmeg. You have to eat from my hand if you want one. You can do it. You like them? Nutmeg is one of the cats I rescued from my neighbor's porch. Again, I was gonna put her up for adoption, but I can't. She's too darn adorable. But I have 3 black kittens. If anyone's looking for a black kitten, they will be officially put up for adoption at the end of the month. Are you done, Honey? You want another one, or are you done? Nutmeg will eat them. I'm glad you're feeling better. You're looking good. You look a lot more happy now that you got those nasty teeth pulled. I love that. Every time I open it, that is so beautiful. So day 6, right here. Oh, all right. Did I got it right? Oh, shoot. Let me try that. There we go. Oh, Jack. Yay. Now you show up. I'm done with the treats, Sage. You're a little late to the party. You want to hang this for me? Right here, okay?